Hi everyone, my name is Ankit and I am one of the directors at Pratham Test Prep. So, in the last 1 week or so, as a company, as an institution, we've been flooded with queries, flooded with calls from parents, worried students and parents that how is Pratham going to help them get over this phase where coronavirus or the panic relating to coronavirus has spread thick and wide and we have hardly got any answers. So let me first assure you as the head of the institution that we are ready. We will not give any student any excuse for jumping off or bunking any classes just because there is a spread. We are going to keep them engaged in classes through the day so that this time, which is going to be where they're going to be maximum at home, is best utilized for preparing for their classes and trying to get into their dream colleges after class 12. So let's hope that post 31st everything is back to normal and we are back to see our students in classes. Now, the question was, is Pratham ready? To answer that question, we have been ready for the last 2 years. We have been running our hybrid batches for the last 2 years. The students across the country have been joining us through an online platform and attending classes at the comfort of their houses. So rest assured, this platform is going to get extended to all the other students pan-India across all Pratham centers to basically have a similar pattern of classes happening every year and all students attending classes at the same time. As I record this video, the current coronavirus victims or patients are at 114. The good part is that 13 patients have recovered fully and unfortunately we've lost 2 people to this virus. So when we were talking about how are we going to be ready for to tackle this epidemic or this virus, we were as a company in a dilemma that we love giving a personal touch to our students, to the classroom interaction that we have. We excel in it. We've been doing it for the last 11 years. That was on one side what we love doing, love talking to students and giving them the best unmatched quality. The other side was that for the larger good, should we suspend classes? Thankfully, we didn't have to take that call. The government took that call for us and they've suspended all classes to happen at coaching centers or private tuition centers, malls, everything has been shut till the 31st of March. As we speak, there's still some unanswered question which we are still grappling to find answers for. पहला उसमें से है कि अगर ये वायरस स्प्रेड होता है तो क्या? And what if the date sheet of the entrance exam doesn't change? What time do we have? How much time do we have? Are we going to be ready? When do we start? Is it going to be classroom? Is it going to be online? So there were so many questions that were still unanswered. However, we came up with an answer that we are ready and we're going to be ready with our online live classes for all students pan-India from the 25th to the 31st of March. So पूरे हिंदुस्तान के प्रथम स्टूडेंट जो क्लासरूम में enrolled हैं will be joining us for this online live classes. The best part it is going to be seamlessly integrated into their Pratham student information system. So all they have to log into their Pratham PSIS, go to the online live class session and attend it at the comfort of their house. How is Pratham ready to fight the Covid-19 or the coronavirus? These are important questions that as parents and people watching this video should have answers to. Please note, classes at all Pratham centers are not happening. However, our counselors are still available at our centers to handle your queries, give you personalized career guidance and take one-on-one counseling sessions only. All Pratham counselors have been given out masks and they will be conducting these counseling session and one-to-one counseling session wearing masks. All Pratham centers as we speak are getting sanitized and they will be sanitized regularly. Not just the overall centers getting sanitized, alcohol sanitizers are available at all centers. So if you walk into a Pratham center, please make sure that you sanitize your hands. The counselors are sanitizing their hands regularly. We are also disinfecting all the things that we come in contact with every single on a regular basis in a working day, like doorknobs, handles, bathrooms. These are getting sprayed with disinfectant spray every day. So rest assured, all centers of Pratham are disinfected, are sanitized. The counselors are wearing masks. When you enter the center, will have to sanitize your hands. So just to prevent any kind of spread through our centers. Apart from that, if any of the Pratham team members has any kind of symptoms that remotely even relates to corona, the person is expected to proceed on immediate leave, and the center and the staff members are quarantined and the center is sanitized. How are we ready for classes? So like I mentioned in the previous slide, we're going to be starting with our online live classes where the student only has to log in through their PSIs. How the live classes are going to be conducted? The live classes are going to be conducted in 2 slots. So let me explain it by giving an example. Supposing we start classes on the 25th of March, there will be 2 slots of classes. One will be from 8 a.m. to 12 noon and then from 12:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. What happens in these two slots? So when we talk about the 8 a.m. to 12 noon slot, there will be 2 classes of 2 hours each. Hypothetically, we start off with QA1 followed by VA1, Verbal Ability 1. The same class is going to get repeated by the same faculty between the 12:30 to 4:30 slot as well. So our student is allowed to attend these classes at the comfort of their home, whichever time slot is convenient to them. Please note, this is only going to be till the 31st of March. In case the quarantine increases and we have to continue with the classes, the number of slots available will be reduced from 2 to 1 and there will be 1 fixed time slot available for students to attend the classes from. These classes will be beamed live from our Pratham studios, will be taken by the Pratham in-house faculty. So rest assured, across India the same faculty is going to be teaching. That's the wonderful thing that the technology provides, but it takes away that personal touch as well. So all the studios are going to beam that live class to all students attending the live class through the platform. The other big challenge was that yes, we are providing live classes. How do we cater to the doubts that the student might have when he or she is attending class? To cater to that, we said, okay, hello, we are ready for that as well. We are going to be conducting online doubt classes as well. Supposing we start on the 25th and we do QA1, VA1 classes on the 25th. So on the 26th, the next day, the student will also have access to clarify their doubts on the same topic, VA1 and QA1, say from 5:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and then from 6:30 to 8 p.m. in the evening, wherein the faculty will be taking their doubts as well as helping them solve all the questions that they would have seen in the handout and select questions from the book as well. We don't stop there. Even in our unique tool, which is the Pratham Student Information System, there is a separate query section that the student has access to, under which they can log into their academic query section, send an academic query which will go to our faculty heads, and the query will be solved within the next 24 to 48 hours. That's not where it finishes. Also, we're also going to be creating dedicated Telegram groups which will be headed by each faculty member for a specific subject. So if a child is unable to ask a particular query in the doubt class or the query is still persistent, that query can be handled in the Telegram group as well or via the student PSI's query section. Please note, बच्चे को doubt class तभी अटेंड करनी है या तो उन्होंने लाइव क्लास अटेंड करी हो या वो पूरा का पूरा ई-लेक्चर उन्होंने देखा हो. Pratham has been giving its classroom students a very good tool, which is the complete class recordings via their e-lecture platform. We've been doing it for the last 4 years and we unfortunately or fortunately, it is now going to be the most widely used thing for us and our students. The classroom or complete recording of the classrooms will be available, has been available to all our students through the lecture platform. Please note, these are not concept lectures. These are full 2-hour or 3-hour class recordings for a student exactly to replicate how they would be taught in a classroom. These are different from the online live classes. They have been there for the last 4 years. Now please note that when you talk about the lectures, attending these lectures is important before the person attends the doubt class. How do we keep in touch with our students? So all students will be shown a weekly schedule which will be uploaded on their PSI's Pratham Student Information System. They will be expected to come down to the center, collect their material, which is the main book set, as well as the class handouts of the class that are going to be happening through the week. Once in a week, all you have to do is walk into the center, collect the material and sit back at home. These classes, which will be from the 25th to the 31st, will be QA 1, 2, 3, LR 1, 2, 3, VA 1, 2, 3 and General Awareness 1, 2 and 3. So in a span of 6 to 7 days, 24 hours of classes will be given to each student. Like I've already spoken to you about the e-lectures, there are about 150 hours of e-lectures for the students' consumption. Even if they have done the class, attended the doubt class, in case the doubt persists, the e-lectures will be available for all students to get their doubts clarified as and when they want. What other material is going to be available online? The big question is what happens to the mocks. The online mocks will continue to be online. The proprietary tool of Pratham, which is the exam portal, is going to exactly replicate how the actual online exam is going to happen. So you are best prepared. जो आप देख रहे हैं platform पे similar paper आपको सामने भी दिखेगा. These papers which are online, which is going to be actually happening online, will continue to happen online through our PSIS exam portal. However, when it comes to the offline exam like CLAT or IELT, we expect the student to walk into the center, collect 2 to 3 mocks at the same time, go along with the OMR, go back home, take these OMR based tests, submit the OMR, and we will give them analysis as soon as possible. We could have easily converted the offline mocks into the online mocks. However, we want to give a feel of an offline mock to the student. Unfortunately, the classrooms can't be used, right? So the closest that we can do is ask them to come, they do it at their home, submit the OMR and get the analysis. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि analysis मिलता रहे. The unique system that we have, wherein the exam portal gives you analysis of how the student has performed, not just vis-a-vis other students. It gives you a percentile and your overall rank, your center rank, your PAN Pratham rank. It also gives you a section-wise analysis. It gives you a level of difficulty-wise analysis, which is exceedingly fruitful for all students when they are analyzing their mock performance. Apart from that, you'll have enough and more daily and monthly current affairs available, 100 plus practice tests along with form filling videos and updates on the online account itself. Please note, this arrangement is the online live classes arrangement is only till the 31st. Let's hope, wish and pray that by the 1st everything is back to normal and we can give all the students back to the classroom sessions, right? And let's hope that this outbreak is contained. The Indians are virus and corona free, our students are virus and corona free, and we are able to help them or guide them to their dream college the best that we can. The question was, are we ready? I hope this video has answered all your questions. Are we ready? We are ready and we are ready to go. We're ready to get you to your dream college as well. Thank you very much for watching this video and hope to see you on an online class from the 25th. Take care, all the best and good luck.